In this section, we are going to learn about Pythagorean theorem, converse of Pythagorean theorem, Apollonius theorem. Pythagorean theorem states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Let's look at the theorem now. In the given triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. We have to prove that square of the hypotenuse AC is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides AB and BC. As part of construction, draw a line BD perpendicular to AC. Let us start the proof now. Consider two right triangles ADB and ABC. We have angle ADB and angle ABC equal to 90 degrees. Angle A is common for both triangles. Hence, by AA similarity property, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. We know that in similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AD by AB is equal to AB by AC. By cross multiplication, we get AB square is equal to AD into AC. Mark this as first equation. Consider two right triangles DBC and ABC. We have angle BDC and angle ABC equal to 90 degrees. Angle C is common for both triangles. Hence, by AA similarity property, triangle DBC is similar to triangle ABC. We know that in similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, BC by AC is equal to DC by BC. By cross multiplication, we get BC square is equal to DC into AC. Mark this as first equation. By adding first and second equations, AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus DC into AC. By taking AC common and simplifying, we get AC square. Thus, square of the hypotenuse AC is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides AB and BC. Hence proved. Now let us prove the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle, if the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the hypotenuse is right angle. Given that in triangle ABC, square of the hypotenuse AC is equal to the sum of the squares of AB and BC, we need to prove angle B equal to 90 degrees. We construct a triangle PQR in such a way that PQ is equal to AB, QR is equal to BC, and angle Q is right angle. Clearly, triangle PQR is a right triangle as angle Q is 90 degrees. Hence, by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. But PQ is equal to AB. QR is equal to BC. That implies AB square plus BC square is equal to PR square. Consider it as first equation. But as per the given statement, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, mark this as second equation. From equations 1 and 2, we get PR square is equal to AC square. Therefore, hypotenuses of both triangles are equal. By SSS congruence criterion, we can conclude that the two triangles ABC, PQR are congruent. That implies that angles B and Q are equal. Hence, its right angle at B. Hence proved. Let's solve few examples now. If the triangle ABC is obtuse angled at B, if AD is perpendicular to CB, prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. Triangle ADC is a right triangle and right angled at D. By Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. On further simplification by substituting, we get AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. Let's see another example. If angle B of triangle ABC is an acute and AD is perpendicular to BC, prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. In triangle ABC, angle B is an acute angle. AD is perpendicular to BC. From the right angle triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. From the figure, we have DC is equal to the difference between BC and BD. Let's substitute DC is equal to BC minus BD in the equation. By expanding BC minus BD whole square and on simplification, we get AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD, since AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. Hence proved. Let's see about Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem states that the sum of the squares of two sides of a triangle is equal to twice the square on half the third side plus twice the square on the median which bisects the third side. Given that AD is the median drawn to BC, we have to prove that AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 into BD square plus 2 into AD square. Draw line AN perpendicular to BC. Let's see the proof. Here we have to consider two cases to prove the given theorem. The first case is if angle D in the two triangles ADB and ADC are equal. And second case, if angle D in the two triangles ADB and ADC are not equal. Let us see the first case. If both angles ADB and ADC are equal, then they must be right angles. By applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADB, we have AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Consider it as first equation. Similarly, for the triangle ADC, we have AC square is equal to CD square plus AD square. Consider it as second equation. Now let's add first and second equations. By adding the two equations, we get AB square plus AC square is equal to BD square plus CD square plus 2AD square. 2BD square plus 2AD square, since BD and CD are equal in the given triangle. Let's take second case. As angle ADB is obtuse, angle ADC is acute. So, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square plus 2BD into DN. Consider it as first equation. And AC square is equal to DC square plus AD square minus 2DC into DN. Consider it as second equation. From the figure, we know that the BD is equal to DC. By adding first and second equations, we get AB square plus AC square is equal to 2DB square plus 2AD square. Therefore proved.